Okay, so there's been a lot of talk about NVIDIA RTX Voice. So in this video, I'm going to explain what it is and how to use it, and I'm going to demonstrate the differences with and without RTX Voice. So as we can see here on NVIDIA's own website, it says it uses a new plugin that leverages NVIDIA RTX GPUs. Now that bit isn't actually true, and I'll come back to that in a bit. And their AI capabilities to remove distracting background noise from your broadcast, blah blah blah. So basically what it is on a normal PC, well I shouldn't say normal, but on a PC without RTX Voice installed, if we go to the sound system setting menu in Windows 10, we'll see the standard input output devices here. So if we do run RTX Voice, then what will happen is it will install and make available sort of virtual sound device for both the input and output options. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And the way to run RTX Voice is just, once it's installed, just by typing RTX Voice in the Windows Start menu and launching the application. So here we have the application launching. And now that it's up, as we can see, there are two options here. So the first being to use RTX Voice to intercept any audio stream coming in via the input device and to remove background noise from the input audio stream. And we also have an option of doing the same for the output device, but this is very poorly implemented, so I wouldn't use it at all. Alright, so now that we have this selected, so by the way, this is the input device that we tell RTX Voice to intercept the audio stream from. So now that we have this running, we should see, as we can see here, another audio device has popped up called NVIDIA RTX Voice. Just to make sure the output isn't RTX Voice. Okay, so I'm going to do a test without RTX Voice for now. So here I've got Skype call testing service. So I'm going to use this service to demonstrate that, or rather to demonstrate how much of the background noise RTX Voice removes from the input audio stream. So first off, let's do a test call without RTX Voice running.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
So here I'm tapping on my wristpad and my table just to generate some background noise. Here I'm tapping on my wristpad and my table just to generate some background noise. So you could clearly hear the background noise there caused by me tapping on the table and the wristpad. So now I'm going to go into the settings menu in Skype. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select NVIDIA RTX Voice as the input, and I'm going to repeat the same test. So I'm just calling the Skype call test service once again.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, so this is with NVIDIA RTX running, and I'm just generating some background noise by tapping on my table. Come on! I think there's a problem with Skype call test service there. Or maybe. So this is with NVIDIA RTX running, and I'm just generating some background noise. Okay, let's try that again.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, once again with RTX Voice, just generating some background noise. Just waiting for the service to stop recording and comments playback. Okay, once again with RTX Voice, just generating some background noise. Just waiting for the service to stop recording and comments play.
If you are able to hear your own...
Okay, so as you heard there, with RTX Voice enabled, you couldn't really hear me tapping on the table, nor on the wristpad. So it's very effective. It's very good for conference calls and for games, especially if you're using a desk microphone like me, because it's going to pick up all background noise and all that, and it's going to annoy some people listening in. So if you have any questions, please post in the comments below. Just before stopping the video, I just want to say this utility also works on 10 series GPUs that don't have RTX. There's a little hack that needs to be done to get that to work. So feel free to search for that online or ask me some questions in the comments. Thank you.